Thank you. No more slogans. No more slogan. No more slogan. కాదు ఒకళ్ళకి ఒకళ్ళు రెస్పెక్ట్ నో సార్ ప్లీజ్ let us respect one another. Please let us respect one another. Over. Please let us go to the agenda. Let us respect one another. It's over. Okay.
గౌరవనీయులు
with the request of the house. I'm కాదు नहीं अरे बात करने देते. नो you cannot demand. मिर्जा साहब आप डिमांड नहीं कर सकते. Why should I let? No, एजेंडा में बात कर रहे हम लोग. एजेंडा पे आ रहे. No, you cannot dictate, sir. No, you cannot do that. नहीं बेग साहब आप बैठ जाइए. No, I will not give the mic. नहीं say आप No, take it back. No, कोई भी नहीं बोले. Beg साहब, everybody respect. We are all Indians, sir. We are all Indians. Please respect one another. We are all Indians, sir. We are all Indians, sir. आप बैठ जाओ. Sir, Beg साहब, we are all Indians, Beg साहब. Nobody will disrespect another person. Sir, please बैठ जाइए. We will not disrespect. Sir, we will not disrespect anybody. We no intention of disrespecting anybody, sir. We are all Indians, sir. Please बैठ जाइए. आप. Please बैठ जाइए. It's already 10 minutes to 1 o'clock. It's almost lunchtime. We haven't started the agenda. बैठ जाइए. No, sir. I understand. नहीं साहब, वो लोग कुछ भी नहीं बोले. अब बैठ जाओ. वो लोग बोले, रघुनंदन साहब बोले. नहीं, अब हमारे MP साहब बोले कि कोई भी नहीं बोले. If somebody has said it, sir, if Beg साहब, if somebody has said it, रघुनंदन साहब, no, MP साहब बोल रहे ना, कोई भी नहीं बोले. Please बैठ जाओ. वाहब साहब, बैठ जाओ. वाहब, please. Sohail साहब बैठ जाइए. No, we'll take it back. I'm telling you. Okay, please sit down. No, wrong on your part. Wrong on. Okay, Raghunandan साहब बात करेंगे. 1 minute. No, very bad on Anna. Raghunandan garu meeru. Rajshekhar. Yeah. Pick up them. Marshals can pick up those people. Marshals. No, I'm requesting. Okay. No, please. Sohail साहब, Koppula Narasimhareddy garu. Sohail साहब, 1 minute. No, I have this act. I'm going to read. I will have to pick up them. Marshals pick up చేయండి వాళ్ళని వీళ్ళని. ఎవరు నుంచున్నారో టేబుల్స్ మీద ఎవరు నుంచున్నారో వాళ్ళందరిని తీయండి. I cannot tables మీద నుంచిన వాళ్ళందరి తీయండి. You cannot stand on the table. You cannot stand on the table. You cannot stand on the table. Marshals will pick up everybody who are on the tables. Marshals